welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to bring with you another food video, and this is going to entail quick and easy snack ideas. So whether you're a kid who's in middle school, a college student who is on a budget, or just a regular guy or girl who's looking to make some easy and budget-friendly recipes, then definitely tune into this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Alright, let's get started. Guys, look how much food I got for $20. It is amazing, and this is one of the reasons why I love Aldi so much. Everything is really affordable, and the most expensive thing was the salami, which was about $6. Here's the salami that I got was $6. The cheddar cheese was $1.99. The crackers were $1.89. I got these gala apples, which were $1.99. The romaine lettuce was $1.99. Here's some tortilla chips I also got at Aldi. However, since I already had these in my pantry, these are not included in the price total, but Aldi does sell them at a pretty affordable price. Next, we have some salsa, which was $1.89. The carrots were $1.19, and the creamy peanut butter was $1.79. Now the first thing we're going to focus on today is some crackers with cheese and salami. Super simple and easy, but you know, sometimes you can forget the simple ingredients you need just to make a quick and easy snack. Assembling these crackers is pretty easy. I like to toast my salami before I actually use them in this little mini snack because I like to drain the excess oil. Here's your finished product with the crackers all assembled and stacked, and these are pretty much ready to be eaten. Oh, look how cute they look! So let's dive into snack number 2. Here you can see I have some shredded cheddar cheese, and don't mind my daughter in the background. But yeah, so I have some shredded cheddar cheese, and then these are my yummy tortilla chips, and then I got our ride or die spicy salsa. Love it. So I'm just gonna assemble this. No. Yes, honey. She's telling you guys how to make this. But if you want to, amp up this dish a little more, you can make your own guacamole. And what I do is I add onions, garlic, salt and pepper, avocados, tomatoes, all in a bowl. And of course, they're gonna be all chopped. And I let it sit in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then I would usually top that with the salsa and then spread the cheese as the last topping to the dish. But because I really wanted to keep this at around $20, I didn't have time. So yeah, but that just gives you guys another idea. It's really spicy. I just tasted it. It's really spicy. It's so good. Definitely check this one out. Look at that salsa. Oh my goodness. You can see all the good bits in there. The onions, the garlic, the tomatoes. So good. Gonna pour some salsa all over our tortillas and make it all messy and delicious. And then, as stated earlier, you can always add your own guacamole to this dish. Just add another depth of flavor, and you could use vegetarian beef if you want to add beef to it if you're vegetarian, or you could just add some ground turkey or beef to this as well. And this is our dish number 2. Super easy. Mind you guys, these dishes are super easy to make. They're not complicated at all, but sometimes we can forget how easy we can make some quick and easy snacks on a budget. The next snack we're making is pretty easy, y'all. We're going to be making apples and peanut butter, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to cut these apples into slices and make a little spread of some peanut butter, and that is going to be our third snack. You could always add a little bit of chocolate chips to this for an extra added sweetness, so it's savory and sweet. Here are my sliced apples, and literally all you do now is dip them in peanut butter. So good. So guys, I actually decided to spread on the peanut butter since it's much easier with this brand peanut butter. It's kind of hard to dip it. If you're a baker like me and you have chocolate chips already in your pantry, you can add them onto this dish just to add a little bit more flavor and texture. Now, of course, this isn't going to be a part of the $20, but if you do want to spend a little extra money, you can add chocolate chips for another depth of flavor. And that's it for snack number 3. If you have a sweet tooth like me, this is a great little snack that incorporates chocolate chips, peanut butter, and apples all in one dish. and it is super easy to make. So moving on to snack number 4, which is literally basically a salad. Alright guys, last thing we're going to do is assemble our salad. We have some toasted salami, some shredded carrots, shredded cheese, our lettuce, and my favorite, balsamic vinaigrette dressing from Aldi right here. Now this step is pretty simple. I'm basically going to just assemble the salad and add all the toppings. So we got some carrots, we have some cheese, and then we have some large pieces of salami. And then we're just going to pour some balsamic dressing on top. And this is it. This is pretty much your salad. And you could take anything or add anything you want. You know, salads are awesome because they're completely customizable and there's no wrong way to make them. The glass salad bowl is so decorative and cute, and it's perfect for this quick and easy snack. So in our salad we have the bits of carrots, the lettuce of course, the toasted salami, the cheddar cheese, and the aged balsamic vinaigrette dressing. And these are all the snacks and quick meals that I like to eat during the week, and it's all for 20 bucks. So that's pretty awesome. And the great thing about these recipes is a lot of the ingredients you get to use over, so you don't have to go to the store and buy more.